Get up. Get up, son. Get up.
Come on, Lincoln, sit up. Go sit him back up.
No, look, he's doing it himself. Come on, you can do it. Stop giving up.
I want that Xbox controller.
Get up. On your knees. There you go. Good. No. Get up. On your knees. Like Daddy. Yeah, you can follow him now.
But it's so cute, honey. Come on, Lincoln.
There you go. Push up. You find something more interesting in the carpet now? He's getting tired.
We'll sit him up first for a second.
Come here.
Get it, Lincoln.